What is included in a professional builder's clean?
A professional builder's clean is a detailed top-to-bottom clean designed to remove every trace of construction dust, debris, and residue, so your new build is truly ready for living, inspection, or handover. This includes removal of plaster dust, sawdust, grout haze, and paint splatter, deep cleaning of skirtings, walls, doors, window frames, and seals, interior and exterior window cleaning, including frames and tracks, detailed cleaning of kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry areas, vacuuming and mopping of all floors, including under and behind fixtures, cleaning of light switches, power points, fittings and exhausts, inside wardrobes, drawers, shelves, and cupboards. Our team uses construction-grade cleaning methods and professional equipment to ensure every surface shines without damaging delicate finishes.